Hello and happy holidays, my friends. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 424th episode and the first episode of Ellen's Christmas Series 2020. Today I'm going to share with all of you some cranberry white chocolate chip cookies. And my friends, these are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make. And these cookies screams the holidays. And these will be great to serve at your holiday gatherings. Everybody's going to fall in love with these. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cookies recipes playlist, my Christmas treats recipes playlist, and my previous video, sweetened condensed milk bread. I'll post a link to all three of those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your white chocolate chips, and your fresh cranberry sugar, because we're about to bake some cranberry white chocolate chip cookie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my bowl I have 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And give it a quick whisk until it's well incorporated. So now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl I have 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter, or you can use margarine. Now let it come to room temperature. And in 2-hour butter, we're going to add in 1/2 cup each of white and packed light brown sugar. And we're going to cream these until they're fluffy on medium speed. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 1 extra large egg at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of pure orange extract. And mix those in until they're well incorporated. Now we're going to slowly add in the dry ingredients into the butter mixture. Mix this in until it's well combined. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing everything. Smells good. You can smell the orange extract and the vanilla. Now it's time to add in our final ingredients. The 2 stars of the show. The white chocolate chips and the cranberries. I'm using 3/4 cup of white chocolate chips and 1 cup of fresh cranberries that I roasted in the oven. And all we do is just fold them in. Now we're ready to form them into cookies. We're going to put them in a 9 by 13 inch long cookie sheet that I line with parchment paper, or you can use foil or grease it with baking spray. So using my cookie scoop, just going to take a dollop, just scoop them onto the pan. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish scooping the rest of my cookie dough, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, I got all my cookies together. Now ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 375 degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. Alright my friends, I have taken my cookies out of the oven. And it smells phenomenal up in this kitchen. Nothing like the smell of freshly baked cookies. And look at the cranberries and the white chocolate chips on top. So now we're going to let them cool on a wire rack for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then I put them on my platter. We're going to put them on my Christmas platter. All right, my friends, there you have it. Cranberry white chocolate chip cookies. Don't they look delicious? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Nice and golden brown. Nice and chewy. And when you bite into it, you get that pop of cranberry. Great sweet and tart balance. And I can taste the white chocolate. These cookies are amazing, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Cranberry white chocolate chip cookie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemadeDelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays.